How to start selling on eBay for beginners. If you're a beginner looking to make some extra cash or start your own online business, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to start selling on eBay. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is set up an eBay account. Head over to ebay.com and click on the Register button. Follow the prompts to create your account. Make sure to choose a unique username and a strong password. Once you have your account set up, it's time to decide what you want to sell. Research popular items on eBay to get an idea of what sells well. You can also look around your house for things you no longer need or want to sell. Now that you have your item, it's time to create a listing. Click on the Sell button on the top of the eBay homepage. Choose a category for your item, and then enter a detailed title and description. Be honest and accurate in your description to avoid any issues with buyers. When it comes to pricing your item, it's important to do some research. Look at similar listings to see what others are charging. Take into account the condition of your item and any additional costs such as shipping fees. Set a competitive price that will attract buyers. Now let's talk about shipping. You'll need to decide how you want to handle shipping your items. eBay offers different shipping options, including calculated shipping based on the buyer's location or flat rate shipping. Choose the option that works best for you and your item. Once your item is listed, you'll start receiving bids or offers from potential buyers. Keep an eye on your listing and respond to any questions promptly. Communication is key to providing a great buying experience. Once your item sells, it's time to ship it to the buyer. Make sure to pack it securely to avoid any damage during transit. Use a shipping service with tracking so that both you and the buyer can monitor the shipment's progress. After the buyer receives the item, they may leave feedback. Positive feedback is crucial for building a good reputation on eBay. Make sure to provide excellent customer service and resolve any issues that may arise promptly. As you gain experience selling on eBay, you can explore additional features like eBay stores or promotions to further grow your business. eBay offers various tools and resources to help sellers succeed. Lastly, always keep learning and adapting. eBay is a dynamic marketplace, so stay up to date with the latest trends and changes. Join eBay seller communities and forums to connect with other sellers and gain valuable insights. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to start selling on eBay. Remember, it may take time and effort to build your eBay business, but with dedication and a solid strategy, you can succeed. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.